Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with the coupon insert preview for November the 18th of 2018. Two inserts coming, a Retail Me Not, a Smart Source. I do apologize for posting this so late. I had a pretty eventful day today, but I am back with the insert preview and I'm going to go over it. So I'll point out any deals along the way. This is the insert for Black Friday week. There are some really awesome deals coming up for Black Friday. Be sure to stay tuned and follow the channel really closely over the next week. I'm working on a schedule. I'll share that with you all on Sunday because things are going to be a little bit different about how the videos go up this next week. Since with Thanksgiving, the sales are all moved around and everything. So keep that in mind. But here are the inserts. A lot of these coupons will come into play. So let's start with the Retail Me Not. $2 off of Vaseline. $1.25 off of Godiva bags or gift boxes. $2 off of whole blends. Now keep in mind where I'm at, we have not been getting these coupons anymore. I don't know if we will this next time. I'm not sure. I'm hoping we do, but we did not get Garnier, L'Oreal, Maybelline, any of that last time. $3 off of 2 Fructis shampoo, conditioner, treatment, or stylers. $1 on 2 Suave body wash. 75 cents on Suave lotion. $1 on New England coffee. $1.50 on Equal. $2 on Garnier Nutrice hair color. We have $1 on some Right Guard, and a lot of that stuff is on the L'Oreal, Garnier, Maybelline. That's on a deal at Rite Aid. Spend 30, get back 10. And if you haven't already done the beauty gift card, that could potentially be a really good deal for you. I'm going to have to look into it depending on what coupons I get. And CVS is running some extra buck deals on that kind of stuff also. We have $1 on Right Guard or Dry Idea. $1 off the Right Guard Best Dress Collection, and we usually always get saving stars to go along with that. $2 off L'Oreal Paris eyeliner, eyeshadow, or brow product. $2 on L'Oreal Paris cosmetic face product. $3 on 2 L'Oreal Paris Elvive or Hair Expert hair care products or advanced hairstyle products. $3 on Revitalift. $2 on this kind of Revitalift, specific kinds. $2 on L'Oreal Paris, Superior Preference, Excellence or Age Perfect by Excellence Hair Color. And then there's $5 off of 2 of those same hair colors. $1 on Maybelline New York Brow product. $1.50 on 2 Tums. $3 on NO7 serum. $2 on NO7 facial serum. $3 on 1 bag of Nature's Recipe dry dog food. $1 off of 5 Nature's Recipe wet single cups. 50 cents on 2 Nature's Recipe wet cans. Alright, $4 on CeraVe Baby. $4 on a CeraVe facial product. $2 on an Oral-B adult battery toothbrush. $5 on this Oral-B replacement brush heads 3 count or greater. $5 on Oral-B Vitality or Pro Series. $1 on the Theraflu, and then we have $2 on a Breathe Right, and there was a $2 Ibotta, so that could be a really good deal for you. I'll have to look into that. $2 off of Theraflu Power Pods. $1 on Trimedic. The Dollar Tree used to sell those for $1, so you could get $1 off and get it for free. And that's it for Retail Me Not. So let's take a look at Smart Source. And as always, click to save post. Okay, so this one's a little bit big. Okay, so we have buy one, get one free Airwick Freshmatic Ultra refills. Buy one, get one free on the Scented Oil Starter Kit. $2 off of Airwick Freshmatic Ultra Automatic Spray Starter Kit. $1.50 on Airwick Essential Mist Refill. $4 on 2 Airwick Scented Oil Triple Refills. 50 cents on Colgate toothpaste. This will really come in handy this week. Rite Aid has it, or next week, the week of the 18th. Rite Aid has them $3.50. There's a $3 off in-ad Rite Aid coupon, and then there's a 50-cent manufacturer. This coupon you use with it to get it for free. And CVS literally is doing the same thing. It's $3.50. There's a $3 coupon you can get at the red box thing in the store, the Magic Coupon Center. I don't know what it's called. You scan your card, it prints out coupons. You get a $3 coupon, use this 50-cent manufacturer's coupon, and you're going to get the toothpaste for free at both stores. So that's a really good one. 50 cents on Colgate toothbrush. And I know Rite Aid has these next week. They're $4. there is a $2 in-ag coupon. There is going to be a $1 load to card, but let's say you use the load to card and you want to use another in-ag coupon or something, you could use this 50-cent manufacturer's coupon and you would grab a toothbrush for 50 cents. So that's a good deal for the toothbrushes, in my opinion. We're not really getting too many. It's really a bummer. I depended on Black Friday to stock up on the manual toothbrushes because a lot of people in my family use manual toothbrushes. And it's like this year they just didn't give us any, hardly. I mean, one toothbrush, I guess. And if I get another one, my mom, it says limit one in-ag coupon per person. So I could have like my mom or something use the other in-ag coupon to kind of make up for that. I hope that makes sense. But I know many of you use more than one Rite Aid in-ag coupon, and your store's okay with it. But they technically say limit one per person. So if you want to get more than one of those toothbrushes, just make sure to have more than one person, whatever. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, 50 cents on Colgate mouthwash, $1 on Sue Hershey's Kisses, Hershey's Nuggets, Hershey's Miniatures, Reese's York, Kit Kat, or Rolo candies. 25 cents on this Dixie Crystal. We don't have Dixie Crystal here, so I think we usually get Domino sugar coupons instead of Dixie Crystal. 55 cents on this Dixie Crystal, $1 on a Sunsweet dried fruit product, 75 cents on Farm Rich meatballs, $1 on 2 Hormel Premium Chicken Breast or Valley Fresh, 50 cents on Wonderful Halos, 25 cents on 1 Jell-O or Jet Puffed Marshmallows. This could come in handy at Kroger. They're on that deal. 4 for $4. There is that $1 off 4 5 times digital, 25-cent paper coupon, and then a 25-cent Ibotta. You can get that up to 4 times. Or no, yeah. You can do it up to 5 times. In this deal, it's only going to work on 4. So that'd be a really good deal. Now, this does say 1 coupon allowed per person per transaction. So keep that in mind. All right, 55 cents on Texas Pete wing sauce. 50 cents on 2 boxes of Nature Valley granola bars, Nature Valley biscuits, Nature Valley granola cups, all that stuff. $1 on 3 General Mills cereal. Alright, then we have these coupons for the Blue Diamond Crafted Almonds. We always get stuff like that. 75 cents on Blue Diamond Nut Thins. $1 on 8 Dan & Oikos Light and Fit, or 2 of the Dan & Oikos or Light and Fit. Any 1 Dan & Oikos or Light and Fit, or any 1 Dan & Activia Dailies 8-pack. $1 on International Delight. 50 cents on Lysol wipes 35 count or higher. 50 cents on the toilet bowl cleaner. $1.50 on Lysol laundry sanitizer. 50 cents on Lysol disinfectant spray. $5 when you buy all 4 People, Southern Living, Real Simple, and Family Circle magazines. That could be a good Christmas gift, and you'd be saving some money. Then we have $1 off Southern Living, $1 off Real Simple, 75 cents off Family Circle, and then $1 off of People magazine. That's rare to get coupons for those. $2 off Zim's Max Freeze. I'm a little bummed. Rite Aid has these 2 for $10. Then the coupon says limit 1 per customer. So if I could use 2 coupons, maybe this will become available through load to card. I really, really hope it does. I would get it at $3. So it's a good price, and I know someone who wants this stuff all the time. So I would pay $3 for it because it's really expensive stuff. But I don't know. Hopefully we get a load to card. $2 off Mucinex Fast Max. $2 off 1 Mucinex. $2 off a Delsum. 50 cents on 3 single boxes or 1 multi-pack of Scotty's facial tissues. $2 off of Aquifer. More Aquifer. $5 on 2 Aveeno body lotion, body wash, or anti-itch products. $3 off of 1 Aveeno body lotion, body wash, or anti-itch product. Walmart did have the Aveeno lotion at $4.26. So if we get an Ibotta back, because we sometimes get Ibotta rebates, and you're using a $3 off coupon, that could be an amazing deal depending on what kind of stuff we get. All right, we have this coupon for the Lubriderm, $2 off of any 1 Lubriderm. Oh, and I forgot to say those Aquifers and the Right Guard, actually. I didn't even realize this until just now. There are Ibotta rebates for those, so you could really come out ahead on that. You have $2 off of any Neutrogena product, and it does exclude the facial masks. I've seen a lot of people finding Peelies for those, and getting the facial masks at a moneymaker, but this coupon will not work on that. $1 off Duracell. I know Rite Aid has these. I believe they're 2 for, I don't know. They end up being, this would not be a bad deal. I'm sorry. I'll go through and do an official ad preview for Rite Aid later in the week, next week. And here's just some Target coupons. $1 off of any O'Keeffe's product. $3 off of Magox, I don't know. And that is all for this week's coupon inserts. So I hope this makes sense. I'm sorry if it didn't make a whole lot of sense. I'm really tired. But I just wanted to give you the insert preview. So yeah, that's all I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.